Hello students, let us go for next example. It is given that ABC matrices and they were asked us to find out A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. So firstly you have to go for A plus B and then for that multiplication of C and also A into C plus B into C. Firstly you have to find out AC and BC and addition of those two will be AC plus BC. So firstly on LHS what you have A plus B into C. First go for A plus B. So write down A and B matrices. Then for the addition of two matrices you must go for the adding corresponding elements to the matrix A. So like this 0 plus 0, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, then minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 and 0 plus 0 it is 0, 8 plus 2 it is 10, 7 plus 1, 8, minus 2 plus 2, minus 6, sorry minus 8 plus 2 it is minus 6, 0 plus 0 it is 0. So what you got now? A plus B. What actually you have to find out? A plus B into C. So write down A plus B and into C. For the multiplication of two matrices, what actually you must have? The number of columns in matrix, first matrix must be equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. So 1, 2, 3. 3 columns were there. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows were there. Then directly you can go for the multiplication of those two matrices. So first row into the column, only one column we have, it is a column matrix, right? So second row column and third row into the column, right? 0 into 2 it is 0, 7 into minus 2 it is minus 14, 8 into 3 it is plus 24. Minus 5 into 2 it is minus 10, plus 0 into anything will be 0, plus 10 into 3 it is 30, and then 8 into 2 16, plus minus 6 into minus 2 it is plus 12, 0 into anything will be 0, right? Then minus 14 plus 24 it is 10, minus 10 plus 30 it is 20, 16 plus 12 it is 28. That is what we got now? A plus B into C is this matrix. For that call it as equation 1. That is our LHS. First result we have. Then in the RHS what you have? AC plus BC. That means firstly you have to find out AC. Go for AC. Write down the matrix A and matrix C there. So check out number of columns 1, 2, 3 and number of rows 1, 2, 3. Right, then go for the multiplication of two matrices. 0 into 2 it is 0, 6 into minus 12 it is minus 12, sorry 6 into minus 2 it is minus 12, 7 into 3 it is 21. Like that minus 12 plus 0 plus 24 minus 14 plus 16 plus 0. Then what we get? AC as 9, 12, 30, right? Then BC, what we want actually BC. So write down the matrix B and into C. In a matrix B we have 3 columns and in a matrix C we have 3 rows. Then directly we can go for the multiplication of two matrices. Then what we get? 1, 8 minus 2. So this is what? AC and BC. Actually what we want in RHS? AC plus BC we want. So write down AC and BC. See here. AC plus BC is equals to. What is our AC? 9, 12, 30. Write down 9, 12, 30. And what is BC? BC is 1, 8 minus 2. 1, 8 minus 2. So if we add these two matrices, what we get? 9 plus 1 is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. This is what? The second result. Call it as equation 2. So, check out from equation 1 and 2 whether both are equal or not. So, equation that is a plus b into c is 10, 20, 28 and ac plus bc is also 10, 20, 28. Therefore, what you can conclude from equation 1 and 2? From equation 1 and 2, a plus b into c is equals to ac plus bc. That is the required result for the given example, right? Yes, our next part is transpose of a matrix. So, what is transpose of a matrix? If A is equals to Aij, be an m cross n matrix. So, here A is a matrix of the order m cross n. Then the matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A. That means if you interchange the rows into columns and the columns into rows, that itself call it as a transpose of the matrix. If you consider a matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So, the given matrix is A here, and if you want a transpose of that given matrix, then how you can write? A dash is equals to, just interchange the rows into the columns. So, 1, 2, 3 it is the row here, then you can write it in a column 1, 2, 3. So, 1 to 1 a row and it will be in a column, 3 to 1 it is a row and it is in a column. So, this is what the transpose of the matrix, and it is denoted by A dash or A raised to T. That means transpose of the matrix. And for the transpose of matrix we have some properties. In that, first one, A dash whole dash is equals to A. That means if you transpose a given matrix, that will be what? A dash. And once again if you transpose it, again you will get the original matrix, that is A. Whenever you transpose a given matrix, it will be A dash, and if you once again transpose it another time, it will be whole dash, then the result will be what? Our original matrix, that is given A, right? And then second one is Ka whole dash, that will be K into A dash, where K is some scalar constant. So, K will be not altered, but only the thing is for A dash, that is A will be changed. So, it will be A dash. And next, A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. So, the sum of two matrices, it will be A plus B. If you transpose that A plus B, it will be what? A plus B whole dash, and it is equal to A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash means what? A dash will be the transpose of A, B dash will be the transpose of B. If you add those together, that will give A dash plus B dash, which is equals to what? A plus B whole dash. Whenever you add A and B and transpose of that will be A plus B dash, that is equals to separately A dash plus B dash, right? Then AB whole dash gives us B dash into A dash, that is the product of two matrices is AB and transpose of that is AB whole dash, which gives us B dash into A dash, that is AB whole dash is equals to B dash into A dash. These are the some properties of the transpose of a matrix. Yes, consider one example. A, B were given and they were asked us to find out A dash whole dash is equals to A, and second one A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash, and KB whole dash is equals to K into B dash, where K is the constant here. So, first the solution. What is the first one? It is to show that A dash whole dash is equals to A. That means the transpose of the matrix and transpose of that matrix must be equals to what? The given matrix. So what is A dash? A is given. Firstly you write A is equals to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. Okay. So transpose of this matrix will be what? Interchanging the rows and columns. So 3 root 3 2 and 4 2 0. This is A dash, and if you write A dash whole dash is equals to, what do you get? Once again you have to interchange the rows and columns. So 3 4 root 3 2 and 2 0. Once again, what is this matrix? It is a matrix A, right? So which is equals to A. Therefore what you can write? A dash whole dash is equals to A. That is transpose of the matrix, and once again transpose of that transposed matrix gives us the given matrix A. And what is the second result? It is to show that A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. So in LHS what you have? A plus B whole dash. So for that A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. For this LHS, firstly we want A plus B, then transpose of that matrix. So A plus B is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 and plus what is B? It is that 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Adding these two matrices, 3 plus 2 is 5, root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Right? This is our A plus B. What actually we want? A plus B whole dash. So transpose of A plus B is equals to, interchange the rows and columns here. So 5 root 3 minus 1, 4 is there. 5 root 3 minus 1, 4, 5, 4, 4. This is what? A plus B whole dash. And in RHS what we have? A dash plus B dash. So write down first A dash here. What will write? A dash as, what is A? It is 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. So interchanging the rows and columns. 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. And what is B dash? It is 2 minus 1 2. That is interchange 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4 1 2 4 and add these two, that is A dash plus B dash. Adding these two, 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 plus, write down B dash, it is 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. Okay. So if you add those two, A dash plus B dash, see here, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. I will write here A dash plus B dash is equals to 3 2 5 4 1, it is 5, root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 it is 4, 2 plus 2 it is 4, 0 plus 4 it is 4. So this is our A dash plus B dash. So what is our result is to prove A plus B whole dash is equals to A dash plus B dash. That is A plus B is 5 5 root 3 1 4 4 4. Call it as equation 1. And what is our RHS? A dash plus B dash. Here is the result for A dash plus B dash. So that is also 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. So from equation 1 and 2, what we get? both are equal. Therefore a plus b whole dash is equals to a dash plus b dash. That is the required result for the given question. And next is given that kb whole dash, that is kb dash is equals to, what we have to prove, k into b dash. So kb whole dash is equals to k into b dash we want. So firstly consider LHS KB. KB means k into the given matrix B. 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. So if you multiply from the scalar quantity, each and every term in the matrix must be multiplied this given scalar. So what we get, 2k minus k, it is 2k, 1k simply or k, 2k, 4k, right? It is kb. What actually we want, kb whole dash. So transpose of the matrix is interchanging the rows and columns. 2k minus k, 2k, 1k, 2k, and it is 4k, right? That is our kb whole dash, which is equals to, what is in the RHS, kb dash is there. So firstly let us find out first kb. K into, what is b? It is given that 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. So it is kb. Kb dash we want. So kb dash, k into, what is b dash? Just interchange the rows and columns. Okay. Then kb dash is equals to, take the multiplication of k inside the matrix. What do you get? 2k, 1k, minus k, 2, 2 and 4k, right? This is our kb dash. So from kb whole dash and kb dash, both the matrices are same. If you call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, what we get? Kb whole dash is equals to k into b dash. That is, from equation 1 and 2 we say that kb whole dash is equals to k into b dash. That is the required result for the given question. Okay.